That's a big chicken. Hey y'all, I want to show you something here. This is my dog Trip, and there's one thing in life that she excels at, and she is really good at, and it's chasing rats. This dog is relentless. She can sniff them out, she can hear them, and she knows that they're here. And this is my wood pile in my backyard. She actually started on this end chasing, and she's ended up back over here. And this is one thing she lives for, and this is why I don't have a whole lot of rats over here in my yard. And I'm not going to tear this whole wood pile apart looking for a rat. She can do that. What I am going to do is come back in here tonight and put some traps in. She's definitely on to something back here, and the only thing she keys on is rats. And she will spend all day and all night out here trying to find this little sucker. And she might get it, but getting out of a wood pile is a pain in the butt. And I'm going to put some traps out tonight. Put a little peanut butter, put some sunflower seeds in it, and see what we end up with. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey y'all, we're back. And I just wanted to show you all what I'm going to do here with this wood pile and the rat that's in there. I know there's a rat in there because my dog's been keying on it all day. Man, the sun's hard. It's hard to tell with the sun. But I got a rat trap down here at the bottom. It's got some peanut butter and sunflower seeds in it, and I put a milk crate over it. That will keep all the things that I don't want to get stuck in the trap out of the trap. So my ducks, my chickens, and all the other little critters. And then I put another trap up here at the top. It's buried down in here. Here's another good thing too for your traps. I don't know if you can see it. There's the wire right there. Put a wire tie on the end of your trap, and that will keep, you know, whatever you catch in there from running off with the trap on it. You never know how you're going to catch them in a trap. All I'm going to do is put some logs over this. Just a couple logs. You know, I just don't want my animals getting into this. My dog too. Okay, so no, that thing's blocked off. This thing's down here, and hopefully by tomorrow we're gonna have us a dead rat. So thanks for paying attention. Thanks for watching, and that's how you kill rats around here, hopefully. Alright, hey, we're back. It's been about 3 days since the last video about this amazing little dog. And I'm just showing you all some stuff I do. I keep my chicken feed in a metal container. It keeps all the rodents out. I have a treacle feeder. Hey, be nice. Duck's chewing on my shoe because she don't like the dog. That's okay. Anyways, the last vid we showed, the dog rooting through the wood pile for some reason, and we got a rat trap in here. It's still open, nothing's bugged it, but look down here. Look in here, and we're gonna pull this off. We gotta do this quick because the dog's gonna go crazy. Boom, got the rat. Dog narked the rat out, and we set some traps, and we got him. Now the ants are getting on the rat, so I got to get rid of the body. But this is a really important point about observation. You have to watch, and you have to see what's going on, because these guys are going to show up. If you live in Phoenix, you're going to get the rats. It's just 20 years ago, nobody here knew anything about rats. We didn't have rats, and now we do. And I ended up with this amazing dog. Where'd she go? Trip, Trip! She's not into it right now, which is fun. There she is. I ended up with this amazing dog. And she's a rat hunter, man. She's no joke, man. And the rats aren't going to get by on her. Dog senses are so much more attuned to stuff that they're amazing, actually. And so here we got a rat. It's got some ants on it. We're going to take it out of the trap. And this is real easy to do. It's got some ants on already. It's a pretty big rat. Clean kill. Dang thing. Got its head in the trap. Take the rat. Put it in a plastic bag. Now here's the key to this. This may not be the only rat we got. And you have to kind of keep a trap line out. And I'm not sure if that's the only rat. There could be some more. But what I like to do, we're going to put some sunflower seeds back in here. And what happened with this trap is I put some peanut butter in it. And these ants, I don't know if you can see them in the video or not, I don't really care. But these ants came in and ate all the peanut butter out of the trap within the first day. And then on day 3, the rat got caught in the trap because it was going after the sunflower seeds. I've noticed with the rats that I do catch that they're seed eaters. They really like seeds. And so sunflower seeds, for some reason, really seem to attract them. So I'm just going to rebait this trap. I'm going to put some more sunflower seeds. Oh, come on. Of course, I got to stick my finger in this thing to get it set right. There we go. Alright. We're going to put the milk crate back over the trap because it keeps all the non-rat target species out of there. And yeah, that's my dog, man. She narked out the rat and I caught it. Sometimes the dog beats me to the rat and she will just kill it. But yeah, that's a damn good dog, and we're gonna keep on trapping. It's a prudent thing to do. You're gonna get them here in Phoenix. They really suck. The only way to deal with them is to trap them. I don't put out poisons. I don't like poisons just because there's a lot of side effects to them. But yeah, here's how you control rats in your backyard. One badass dog who's over there. Oh man, there she is. Sorry, somebody just called me on this video. One badass dog who's over there messing with a badass duck. Thanks for watching.